I live with my husband in an apartment in the south of the city. We're on the second floor, so we don't need to use the elevator. When we're at home, we like to relax in the living room. It has large windows, so there's plenty of natural light during the day. The walls are beige and the curtains are light blue. Against one wall, there is a bookcase filled with our favorite novels. I often take a book from the bookcase and read it on the couch. On the other side of the room, we have a wooden dining table with 4 chairs. There's a tall lamp next to the table. It has a nice warm light, which creates a homely atmosphere in the evenings. Our bathroom is very simple. On one side of the room, there's a shower and a sink with a single faucet. On the other side, there are some shelves for towels and a plant to give the room some color. We have 2 bedrooms, one for us and one for guests. Our bedroom has a large closet to store clothes and shoes. Next to the closet, there's a small vanity where I do my makeup. We have an old yellow armchair in the corner of the room. It doesn't look very attractive, but it's incredibly comfortable. Above the bed, there are some framed photos from our vacations. Each time we go on vacation, we buy a magnet to put on the door of our fridge in the kitchen. Our kitchen is the smallest room in the apartment. It's fine for cooking simple meals, but when we have guests for dinner, it's easier to get takeout.